Hello, and welcome to Learn and Grow English podcast. In today's episode, I will tell you a story. It's a story about a tree, the wind, and what it means to grow strong even when life is not easy. If you're learning English and you want to feel more motivated, this story is for you. Let's begin. On a small hill, far from the city, there was a tree. It was not a big tree. It was not tall, but it was strong. Every day the wind blew hard on that hill. The other plants around the tree fell or bent, but this one tree stayed standing. People asked, "How can this little tree stay strong when the wind is so strong?" No one knew, but the tree knew, because it had a secret. Many years ago, the tree was just a small seed. It lived in the soil with many other seeds. Some seeds were lucky. They had soft soil, no rocks, and lots of water. But this seed, it had little water. The soil was dry. And the wind blew hard every day. The small seed wanted to grow, but it was hard. Still, it tried. Every day it pushed a little bit. Its roots went deeper and deeper, not fast, not easy, but strong. Some other seeds around the tree didn't try as hard. They grew fast at first. They looked tall and green, but when the wind came, they broke. They didn't have strong roots. The little tree saw this and thought, maybe slow is okay. Maybe strong takes time. So it kept growing. Slow, but strong. One day, a new tree was planted next to the strong tree. It came from the city. It had soft roots and was used to soft weather. The new tree said, "It's so windy here. I don't like this place." The strong tree smiled and said, "I didn't like it at first either. But the wind helped me grow." The new tree didn't understand. "The wind makes me tired. It's too hard." The old tree replied, "Yes, it's hard. But it teaches you how to stand. The wind is not your enemy. It is your teacher." One night, a big storm came. The wind was louder than ever. The sky was dark. Rain fell hard. The strong tree stood still, its roots deep in the ground. It had faced storms before. The new tree shook and cried. Its roots were weak. It started to bend and fall. The strong tree tried to help. "Hold on, stay low, stay calm." But the new tree was scared. In the morning, the storm was gone. The sun came out. Birds started to sing again. The strong tree was still standing. The new tree was broken, but not dead. The strong tree looked at it and said, "Now you know how strong you are. This pain can teach you. Don't give up." After that storm, the new tree started to change. It didn't try to grow fast. It focused on its roots. It learned from the strong tree. Each day it became stronger. The wind came again, but it didn't fall. Now, the two trees stand side by side, one old, one young, but both strong. So what can we learn from this story? Growth takes time. Struggles make you stronger. The wind in your life, the problems, the fear, the pain, can help you grow. Even if you are small, or slow, or scared, you can still become strong, just like the tree on the hill. Keep learning, keep growing. And before you go, don't forget to subscribe to this podcast. Your small steps today can grow into something amazing tomorrow. See you in the next episode.